There have been several news reports recently of diabetes medications being associated with an increased risk of cancer. One concern is insulin. It turns out that insulin is a growth factor. Insulin causes cells to grow. And individuals that are pre-diabetic, who are overweight and require their bodies to make a lot of insulin to control their blood sugar, are at increased risk of developing several types of cancer. Breast cancer, ovarian cancer, prostate cancer. And so it's not surprising that patients that are on very high doses of insulin are also at increased risk for these very same types of cancer. So insulin is a growth factor. If you require large amounts of insulin, either that your body makes or that you have to take to control your blood sugar, it is associated with an increased risk of malignancy. Obesity itself is associated with an increased risk of breast cancer, prostate cancer, ovarian cancer. There's also been concern about an increased risk of thyroid cancer with Victoza. This came from studies that were done in rats and mice. It turns out that rats and mice who are given Victoza do have a marked increase in the risk of developing these types of cancer, a special type of thyroid cancer called medullary carcinoma of the thyroid, a relatively rare cancer. Investigators knew about the risk in rodents when they did the human studies. They looked specifically for any signal that there was an increased risk in humans and found none. Calcitonin levels, which is the marker for the cancer, was measured and did not increase. Patients had thyroid ultrasounds done, and there was no signal that Victoza in humans caused the same problems that was seen in rodents.